Made it without putting a foot out. Oh, they fixed it. Oh wow, nice. And here's a berm that I fixed to put you right there. Made that, I opened that up a little bit a few weeks ago. A little muddy right there, but dirt is so good right now. Dirt is so good right now. Switch over. Oh, that worked out good. Yeah, heck yeah. This is like completely dry. Wow. Nice. Yeah. Local is running super good, man. This might be the best.
Let's go, Jerry. Go!
Dirt. This place already drains well, but it's on the next level now. There's a lot of good drains and stuff, and all this rock and stuff really keep the water from like piling up. And this fork is feeling, the bike is like feeling so balanced now after the fork was done. So the fork and the rear shock are like working together, man. It feels so fucking good. Steep. Yeah, you know that feeling when your bike just feels good, like everything's running good. Everything's working good. That's the feeling I'm having now. So balanced. Some of those rocks though are a little bit more exposed with all the rain. A steep chute. And another one. Well, I thought that would be super wet, but it's good. Almost put my foot into that branch. Now this is the part that, yeah. It's still pretty good. Yeah. Yep, just that last little section right there was the worst of the whole trail. But dude, we're on a fucking best dirt it's gonna be for a while. I don't know if we're getting any more rain or not. I gotta imagine we're getting to the end of it. It's middle of April and we typically do not get rain past May until maybe, if we're lucky, November. Get your asterisk out there.